Good afternoon, everyone. Sunday the 29th, we've got a pretty good garden going. I have to get the last of my starts in the ground, so I have one planter box that I need to prepare before I can do that. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. So this is my broccoli plant. I was waiting for it to go to seed. I need this garden bed, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it. Hopefully the ones that I have are usable. Right now, I'm just going to water the soil. I'm gonna go ahead and water my surroundings too. Alright. So these are the onions. They're still a little bit small, but I think it'll be okay. Last year, I had way too many in the area that they were in. I'm just gonna spread them out in this whole entire section, and it hopefully will grow pretty well. Some of them are already starting to get really big. So yeah, a lot of them, they're just super small. So these are them. They're still really small. This one especially, I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but hopefully this will be better. I'm gonna put some cages over them just to protect them from critters. I still have a few more. I have a bell pepper plant and some celery that I still need to plant. I think I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna reuse that soil just because it's seed starting soil, and I think it's still good. So I need to plant or get this one already next. That plant actually, this is my Sourdough plant, and it actually survived from last year. So I'm gonna leave this in here. I do actually need to harvest it though. We are officially into April. It's actually raining. It's been raining the past couple of days, so I am again stuck inside. I fed my sourdough this morning, and this is how it looks now. It is pretty much ready to go, so I think I'm going to make a batch of English muffins. Half a cup. This is 1/4 of a cup, so I'm gonna fill this up twice. So apparently the camera wasn't on, but 1 tablespoon of honey. It's 1 full cup of water. This is 1/4 of a cup, so I'm just gonna fill this up 4 times. This is 1 cup. All right, there's 1. There's 2. And now we just mix this together. It says you're just supposed to mix it by hand before the mixer, so I'm gonna try that and see if it works better. Alright, cover it, and I'll be back in about an hour. Okay, so I actually went ahead and made a second batter. This is actually going to be for the bagel batter, and then this is the English muffin batter. So this is what it looks like right now. It's just fermenting, and then here's the bagel batter. I just made that one. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. It is April 2nd. I actually learned yesterday while I was making sourdough that it was National Sourdough Day. I thought it was funny. So anyway, happy National Sourdough Day. Let's make some sourdough. I actually made 2 batches. English muffin batch. These ones proofed really nicely. And then I made some bagels. Let's get started. This is the English muffin. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I think this is 3 inches. So we have So this is what they look like. So I cut some of them out. I have a little bit more dough that I have to roll out, but I just wanted to show you guys the next step. This is cornmeal, and we're supposed to spread it on the bottom. And we just take it basically and we just go like this, and we just put these on here. Okay, there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we have 12. Now we just cover this and proof for an hour. And now it's time for the bagels. So let me flour the surface a little bit. Eight equal parts. Okay, there's one. Now we just poke a hole through the center. I put these in the fridge so that way they didn't overproof. I'm gonna start with these. This is what they look like. They've gotten a lot bigger now. I'm actually going to boil some water for the bagels because they are starting to proof. So while these are cooking, the water will be boiling. I have the flat top heating up right now. When this is heated up, I'm gonna go ahead and add these to it. Just flipped them. This is what they look like. A couple of these rose really nicely, so I think these are gonna turn out really well. So I'm working on the second batch now. Got the last 6 of them in here. So this is what they look like. There are 6 of them in here. They are looking pretty good. Still waiting for the water to boil, but it's almost done. So as soon as that's ready, we can start the bagels. Okay, English muffins are done, and the bagels are in the oven. So those are cooking nicely. They'll be ready in about 20 minutes. Okay, bagels are done. These 4 right here are everything bagel. These 4 are Parmesan. They're a little bit burnt, but I think it'll be okay. I actually like them a little crispy, so.